Hello everyone. Welcome to Tech with Tufail. In this video, I'll show you 7 amazing Google Chrome tricks that will help you browse faster and smarter. Trick number 1. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus T to reopen the last closed tab. Trick number 2. Press Ctrl plus L to instantly jump to the address bar. Trick number 3. Press Ctrl plus D to bookmark your current web page. Trick number 4. Press Ctrl plus H to open your browsing history. Trick number 5. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus N to open an Incognito window for private browsing. Trick number 6. Press Ctrl plus J to quickly access your downloads page. Trick number 7. Type Chrome / settings in the address bar to open Chrome's settings instantly. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video, subscribe to Tech with Tufail, and turn on the notification bell for more useful tech content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.